What's going on, boaters? Behind me is a 2027 Barletta Aria 22 QC. This boat just arrived here in Crosslake. Let's check out a few features. Starting off on the exterior, you have your black and white panels with your silver rails. It does come with a power bimini, so it's easy to put up or take down when you have to go under some bridges. In the back here, you have your lily pad marine ladder, which is also dog friendly, so the dogs can get on nice and easy. It is powered by a Mercury 150. You have your ski tow bar back here with your flag. Coming into the boat, you have your 2 couches, lots of in-seat storage. Your battery switch is going to be easy to get to right here, so it's easy to turn on and off. You have your captain's chair and your co-captain's chair with your co-captain cup holder caddy with 2 cup holders, charging receptacles. This is a Tritoon, so you're going to have a huge in-floor ski locker. And in the bow, you have your 2 bow couches, JBL speakers throughout the whole boat, in-seat cup holders. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax in Crosslake or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you out on the pontoon this summer.